Yeah, a few weeks ago, I started noticing the lawn tractor started losing its drive power, especially going up a hill. It was really struggling. I mean, the motor and everything's working good. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off this mower deck. So I want to remove this link from the front of the mower. Take this clip out. And then get that linkage out. I'm going to lower the deck down. I'll take this clip. That's easy. Take this clip. Easy, just push down and slide back. Whoops. Okay, we'll take that washer off. And pull this linkage. Okay, this next one. There. Oh, this one's being a little difficult. I'll take this washer off, unhook that linkage, and we want to unhook this linkage, there. And now we want to pull the mower ahead, take that belt off, and there, and get that hanger up out of the way, and pull this out. Look how loose that is. So I'll have to replace this belt. But something else I found while I was under here. Look at this. It's been rubbing and it's rubbed right through to the wires. Now you gotta disconnect this here. This is the wiring for the clutch. And I have to cut that tie wrap. Squeeze these. That goes down through this hole. Now it's got the rubber or the plastic coating on the wire scuff, but the wires still look good. So what I'm just going to do is tape that up with electrical tape. Now let's see if I can tear this there and get that out of the way. Whoop. We'll take them together. So you can bring that sleeve back down over that. And this way. And then I'll tape that whole thing. Nice and snug. One more wrap. There. Alright, let's get this belt out of here. Over top of that fin. Turn that fin. There. Now getting the belt off the engine pulley is a little tricky. First thing you got to do is this anti-rotation link, and this is a 9/16. Okay, to get this belt off this pulley, there's a guard here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It wraps around the pulley, and it's hard to get that belt out of there. So what I'm going to do is I got a 9/16 socket. You go up through this hole. And the bolt that holds that guard is right up there. Got to push that belt out of the way a little bit. And just... Now you only have to loosen it up. You don't have to take it out all the way. Now, there. That's nice and loose. Now just pull the belt down around that pulley, around that guard. There. That's easy enough. And then just bring it around this clutch. And out she comes. Oh, move this electrical cable out of the way. Okay, here's the old belt, and this is a new one. Now this one's a Genuine Parts by Husqvarna. Now here in Canada this cost $45, that's taxes and everything. So down in the States it'll probably cost you half that much. Here, let's see. Yep. Now shove this belt in, stay to the left of the steering shaft. Come through. Grab the end of the belt, shove it, okay, pull it down around this clutch, bring that electrical wire out through here, through, now up in here, it's a bit tricky up in here. Pull it up, and there's that guard. You need to put the belt underneath that guard. Let's see, here we go. There, and then pull it up over the pulley like that. Okay, now what I like to do is I don't leave it on the pulley. I go right to the top and put it around the shaft. That'll give me a little more room on the rear pulley. Keep the belt. Shove it up here. Put your hand up through here. This is really good. Let's go back over that fan. Now there's two guides right here. So you have to go on the inside of those guides. Now you're down around the fan. And we're in the pulley. Yep. Now we'll bring that belt down on the pulley. Still got lots of slack there for that. There. There we go. Now I want to put that guard back up. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Now let's put that wire back up through this little hole. Wire up. Now this goes on here, but it only goes one way, so. Okay. I'm going to put a tie wrap around these wires. There. Okay, I gotta put that in that slot there in the clutch. Good. Again, it's 9/16. There, good and tight. Okay, now we'll put the belt in through here. Now this is the tensioner pulley, and it's also hooked to the brake pedal. Okay, we'll bring that over. Oop. Okay, go up through here. There. And then shove this over. Oop. Get my thumb on that. There, where's it? There. There. Just about done. Before I put the mower deck back on, I'm going to take it for a little test drive.